Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing WordPress locally on your computer. Setting up a local environment is a great way to experiment with WordPress, test themes and plugins, or develop a website without impacting a live site. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need a local server environment. Popular options include XAMPP, Local by Flywheel, or XAMPP. Download and install one of these tools, which provide the necessary software like Apache, PHP, and MySQL to run WordPress locally. Next, visit WordPress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. Once the zip file is downloaded, extract its contents to the root folder of your local server. For example, in XAMPP, this would be the htdocs folder. Now, open your local server application and start the Apache and MySQL services. Then, head to your browser and type localhost / your folder name. Replace your folder name with the name of the folder where you placed WordPress. You'll be greeted by the WordPress installation screen. Follow the steps to configure your local database. Open phpMyAdmin from your local server dashboard. Create a new database, name it anything you like, and use those details in the WordPress setup wizard. Complete the form with your site title, admin username, password, and email address. Once you click Install WordPress, your local WordPress site will be ready to use. And there you have it. You now have WordPress running locally. This setup allows you to experiment freely without affecting a live website. In the next video, we'll dive into configuring WordPress in a local environment to optimize your setup and prepare for development. Stay tuned.